Welcome to the project of density based traffic signal controlling system along with ambulance clearance. So in this project we have the two sections. One is traffic signal section, another is ambulance section. Coming to this traffic signal section, we have the four different IR sensors in different places we mounted to check the density of the traffic, means the vehicle presence till the sensor, and based on the direction of this signals, the microcontroller will came to know the vehicle density, and it will give the heavy more time for the green than usually. So here usual time duration for the green light for each side is 6 seconds, and whenever the vehicle present in front of this IR sensor, means whenever the heavy density is traffic density, then the green light time will be more, means it will be the 12 seconds, and 6 seconds is a normal, 12 seconds is the density based signaling. And now coming to this IR sensors, so we are using the IR TX RX sensors. So this is the transmitter and the receiver. Whenever the obstacle is there in front of the sensor, the transmitted IR rays will be received by the receiver, and it will give the signal through the LM358 comparator, and from there we are going to give the 5-volt signal input to the microcontroller. Whenever the obstacle presents, we will get the high signal, that is 5 volts. No obstacle, 0 volts. So in this way the microcontroller will come to know the presence of the vehicle. And coming to this microcontroller, so we are using PIC16F877A microcontroller. In this one, the input modules are mainly 4 IR sensors and RF receiver through the decoder. So here we are using 433 megahertz RF receiver, and it was interfaced to the HT12D. So and the decoded outputs will be given to the PIC microcontroller, and so based on the signal received from this decoder IC, the microcontroller will make the decision of ambulance arrival from the direction. And coming to the interfacing pins, the decoding IC and RF receiver interface dates A3, A5, E0, E1, E2, and 4 IR sensor interface dates C2, C3, D0, D1, and LEDs interface date C6, C7, D4 to D7, and B0 to B5. So these are the pins of the microcontroller interfaced. And coming to this motherboard, so on this motherboard, so there is a capacitor and there is a reset switch. So from this cable directly we are going to provide the 5 volts power supply, and here is the power LED indication, and with 330 ohm current limiting resistor. So and capacitor and the crystal oscillator frequency is going to be 20 megahertz of clock pulse. So based on the clock pulse signals given to the microcontroller, the microcontroller will execute the given instructions through the program. Coming to this transmitter, so same we are using a 433 megahertz of RF transmitter. So in the transmitting section we are using a HT12E encoded IC. So this encoded IC will encode the data from these 4 switches, and the data will be transmitted through this transmitter, and the receiver will receive that, and the operation is as we discussed earlier. So let us see the demonstration. Just give the power supply to the adapter. Initially these lights will be on and off 2 times. So the main thing is, while we are demonstrating this project, so we are not supposed to fall the sunlight on this IR sensors. So if is there any falling of sunlight on the IR sensor, automatically the IR sensor will give the direct obstacle detected, because the sunlight consists of sunlight IR rays. So and also before switching on this kit, we need to on this RF transmitter, then get the power supply to the kit. And now so we can see that RF data is receiving over there, and after that confirmation, just unplug this power supply to the transmitter. So let us see the initial mode, like no density. So now each side the green light will be placed at a duration of 6 seconds, the whole 4 sides. And now whenever the vehicle present, means vehicle detected till the IR sensor region, so we'll place the vehicle here, and whenever the right, so at this now the time will be not 6, it may be the 12 seconds. The timing will be changed whenever the particular side got the green signal. So now we'll place that here. And now also same manner, the time will be 12 seconds, not 6 seconds. And if I place the same here, so the obstacle detection should be done before turn the green light LED. And now I'm going to show you the output of the ambulance arriving. So now the ambulance is arriving. So here the whole switches are down, nothing but there is no indication of emergency. So there is a like indication of 2. You can see that red light section 1, and this is the 3, and the side 4. So now here also we named them 1, 2, 3, 4. So if the ambulance is coming in direction of 1, so just on that, remaining will be off. So you can see that the one side green light is on, and there is an indication of orange light or yellow light is blinking, indicating as that side the ambulance is coming. Till the ambulance is left that signal section, so it will be there in the same manner only. Now I am changing that off, the emergency mode is off, then automatically normal position of the signal controlling. So if I place in 3, so no, done. So second, so you need to wait for the one loop is completed, nothing but one side is completed. You can see that now. This is the third side. So now normal, and then we'll place it as 4. The fourth side is going to be there's the fourth side. So in the same manner, first is done already. Now I am showing the second.